Everyone's talking about Samsung's next big thing, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. And honestly, Samsung isn't even trying to hide how confident they are this time. The teasers are everywhere. AI-generated comparisons, bold claims about insane low-light video, and footage that makes night scenes look like daylight. But behind all the flashy marketing, what's really happening here? Why is Samsung pushing the camera so hard this year, even though the specs don't look that different on paper? Well, the truth is, there are real upgrades hiding under the surface. And once you understand what they've done, you'll see why the S26 Ultra might quietly turn out to be Samsung's smartest upgrade in years. At first glance, you'd think nothing has changed. Same 200MP main sensor. Same telephoto setup. The design looks familiar too. But here's where Samsung pulled a clever move. They focused on meaningful refinements instead of just raw hardware bragging rights. There are 8 key changes to the camera system, and while none sound revolutionary alone, together they completely transform how this phone captures the world around you. Let's start with the biggest one, the new wider aperture on both the main and the periscope lens. This might sound technical, but it's massive for real-world photography. A wider aperture means more light hitting the sensor, and more light means better performance in the dark. That's exactly why Samsung's teasers are showing so much nighttime video. It's not just hype. This phone actually sees in the dark better than its predecessors. Low-light footage looks richer, smoother, and more detailed. And during the day, that same wider aperture helps create depth in your shots, giving photos more life and clarity without relying on heavy software tricks. Speaking of software tricks, Samsung is finally dialing back on that. For years, Galaxy phones were known for their hyper-saturated colors and boosted contrast. They looked good at first glance, but didn't always represent reality. With the S26 Ultra, Samsung is taking a smarter route. The images now look more natural, closer to how our eyes actually see them. You'll immediately notice this shift. Skin tones are softer and more accurate. Gone are the slightly yellow tints that gave Samsung portraits that artificial warmth. Now people just look real, clean, balanced, and true to life. It's a subtle change, but it shows maturity. Samsung finally trusts its sensor and processing enough to stop overdoing it. Another underrated improvement is the new lens coating. This might not grab headlines, but it's something professionals care deeply about. In strong lighting or when shooting towards bright spots, lens flare used to be a problem. That haze that washed out images is now far more controlled. Thanks to improved coating, the S26 Ultra produces more contrast and cleaner highlights, even under direct sunlight. It's a small tweak, but these are exactly the kinds of refinements that separate an average camera from a truly great one. Now, here's an interesting one, the new 24-megapixel shooting mode. And no, this isn't the same 24MP option found in Expert RAW. This is built right into the default camera. Once enabled through the Camera Assistant app, it delivers a perfect balance between detail and processing. You get far richer textures than the standard 12MP mode, yet it doesn't choke your phone with processing lag. Samsung designed it to work in the background, so you can keep snapping while it processes each shot. The result? Sharper images with deeper colors, the kind that pop instantly even before editing. The strange part, though, older Galaxy models won't get it via software. It's unique to the S26 lineup, making this a real exclusive perk for new buyers. Moving to the front, there's a switch from Samsung's own ISOCELL sensor to a Sony sensor. That's a quiet but powerful change. The field of view is just a bit wider, meaning your selfies can now fit more background. Perfect for group shots or scenic travel moments. And this isn't just a gimmick. Sony sensors are known for consistent color accuracy, so expect your selfies to finally match the tone and exposure of your rear camera photos. In short, everything now feels more cohesive across lenses. Meanwhile, the periscope zoom camera got a small but smart adjustment too. It's slightly more zoomed in at 5x, which might sound minor, but makes framing tighter and more cinematic. The result is steadier, clear. Our zoom shots. On the flip side, Samsung made an odd move with the 3x telephoto lens. It technically uses a larger sensor, but then crops into it, meaning the usable area is actually smaller. Sounds strange, right? But there's logic behind it. The central part of sensor always delivers the cleanest image. By restricting it to that sweet spot, Samsung ensures sharper zoom images with less distortion and better focus consistency. It's a calculated trade-off, quality over quantity. And let's not forget the improvements to the 200MP camera. One of the biggest complaints about last year's shots was sky banding and digital noise when zooming into cloud textures or gradients. The new processing pipeline fixes that. Skies look smooth, colors transition naturally, and you don't get that pixel breakup that ruined otherwise great photos. It's not a flashy upgrade to advertise, but trust me, photographers and content creators are going to notice it immediately. All these refinements add up to one thing: evolution done right. The S26 Ultra isn't about showing off specs. It's about delivering dependable quality in every frame. And Samsung knows it. That's why the teasers focus heavily on realism, not just spectacle. Every tweak here serves a purpose, from truer colors to cleaner night footage, from better noise control to smarter lens behavior. It's Samsung signaling that the Ultra line is finally graduating from experimental to professional. Now, the one question you might still have is all this worth upgrading from the S25 Ultra? Well, if you're a casual user, you might feel the differences subtly. But if you love photography, filmmaking, or just want your everyday shots to look more effortless, this upgrade is surprisingly meaningful. It's not a flashy revolution, it's refinement perfected. The kind of progress you feel more than you see. And in the smartphone world, that's a rare win. So yes, Samsung might have played it safe on paper, but in reality, they've delivered a camera experience that feels brand new. They're combining smarter processing, more precise optics, and subtle design tweaks in a way that simply works. The S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a powerhouse that doesn't need to shout to prove its worth. It just quietly stuns you with every photo and every frame. My personal take? Samsung finally found the sweet spot. Realistic images, great consistency across lenses, and performance that feels premium but natural. It's confident, refined, and aimed at people who care about actual photography, not just flashy filters. The Galaxy S26 Ultra might just redefine what a camera phone should actually be. Not exaggerated, just exceptional. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more deep dives into the latest tech. You won't want to miss what's next.